guessed A, well done, you got it right. But if not, don't worry, I'm about to break it all down for you. So the best way to tackle a problem like this is to take it step by step. So first let's see what prints when we combine these two words together. You can see here that we get hello world, but without any spaces. And this is because Python doesn't add any extra white space when joining strings together. It simply just sticks them together exactly as they are. And then next we need to look at how Python sees strings. Python uses zero-based indexing, which means that the first character is at index 0, the second is at index 1, the third is at index 2, and so on and so on. So for hello world, this is what the indexes look like. So if you ever get unexpected results when working with strings, always check your indexes. And remember that Python starts counting at 0 and not 1. So now let's look at how we get to the answer. This line of code involves slicing. Now what is slicing? It's a way to extract a subset of a string using a specific range of indexes. And the way that it works is that the first number tells us the index where we're starting, and the second number tells us the index where we're stopping, but it does not include this index. So this means that 3:8 gives us everything from index 3 up to, but not including, index 8. And remember that because Python starts counting at 0, index 3 is actually the fourth character and not the third. So looking back at our question, we're going to start at index 3, which is L, and grab everything up to index 8, but not including index 8. So we therefore stop at index 7, which is R. So as you can see when we run this code, our final result is LOWOR, which is the final two letters of hello, and the first three letters of world. Now if this question tripped you up, don't worry. I've just made a full video covering all the different ways you can work with and manipulate strings in Python. So if you want to level up your skills, you can check it out on my page.